started. This guy is one of my favorites from Massive Monster Mayhem. We're drawing Teensy the Triceratops. He was brought to life as king of a dinosaur-related planet. And, well, they're like robotic dinosaurs that this guy rules as king. And it's kind of amazing if you ask me. Anything that has to do with dinosaurs is always welcome on my collection. Here is the arm. There we are. Next we draw one of the legs. Same thing goes for the other leg. Here's his arm. I feel like these are patterns here. There we are. Last thing to draw is his tail. Shoot. Keep forgetting that always happens. And there he is. That's how you draw Teensy the Triceratops. Many fighters from Massive Monster Mayhem are considered the best. I've mostly drawn Major Disappointment and Master Mayhem himself. And Dome, can't forget about him. Anyway, there are a total of 8 superstars that I've drawn up. And this one is, well, ranked, this one's 4 on the list. And, well, basically this is one of my top favorites. If you guys have any requests on which one of the Massive Monster Mayhem related fighters you want me to draw next, please post a comment below. And be sure to smash that like button and the subscribe button as well. And don't forget to become a member of my future Patreon, where you can see all the access of all my master design projects. Anyway, I'm signing off. Good night. Stegosaurus, see you later.